Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at this spectacular 1965 Corvette convertible, 4-speed. Start her up, warm her up, take her for a ride. Okay, here we are. 1965 Chevrolet Corvette, 327 350, 4-speed roadster. Ermine White, blue and white interior, side pipes. We're going to do a cold start right now, and then we will warm her up, take her for a ride. Working clock. Fires right up. Tach's working. Oil pressure, voltage. Doing well today. Beautiful wood wheel. Power windows as well. We're going to warm her up a little bit and we will be right back to you. Okay, we got a little temperature in this 1965 Corvette Roadster, 327, 350 horsepower, 4-speed manual car. As if you can hear, you got good side pipes on it. Great sound. Pulls unbelievably well. Right through the gears. All the gauges are working. Again, power windows. A beautiful day for a roadster. Typical Corvette, 4-wheel disc brakes. A little downshift here. Great brake response. Great feel through this wood steering wheel. Little horn. Factory air conditioning as well. Really a quintessential muscle car of the era. Coming up to our holiday here, a great July 4th car. Really great piece of Americana. Apple pie, baseball, and Chevrolet. Go over the tracks here. Really doesn't rattle. Really well built, well maintained car. Previous owner owned it since 2003, I want to say. Only put about 800 miles on it in that time. Get on it a little bit here. Great exhaust note. Very usable, drivable car. Sitting on gold stripe radials at the moment. What makes it a little nicer than the bias plies, but still maintains that beautiful look. It's got the knockoff wheels. Comes with a jack, knockoff hammer. White soft top. Completes that entire look. This beautiful blue and white interior really plays well with this car. We'll take her up here, we'll drop Jason off, and we'll do some drive-bys. Great responsive steering. Again, exhaust note with those side pipes, really good. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed those flybys as much as I did. Really, car pulls strong, sounds good as you can hear in the video. Again, all gauges working. Really quintessential American muscle car. Great Corvette performance as they're known for. 327, 350 horsepower, 4-speed manual, side pipes. Very usable sports car. Great top-down cruising. Good get up and go from the 350 HP 327. We're going to take her up here and we'll open her up a little bit. Working AM/FM radio. Power antenna working up and down. give her a little rev through range here. Oh yeah. My goodness, it really pulls great through all the gears, great power, no hesitation, great sound from those side pipes. This one's a really good one. Driven many of these, coupes and convertibles, but this is a really good one. Great colors. Like and subscribe below. Comments as well. Keep watching, and we'll get you on the next one. Thanks for watching.